Alright guys, it's Dwight back at you with another video. Today we're starting on a new section of the property. This is some timber we own, and I'll be some good stuff in here. Got me a new pair of chaps. So there's an old pair of chaps. First thing I gotta do though is condition these here chainsaw chaps. That's an absolute necessity working out here. Yeah, I was standing underneath that and I heard it shift. And I thought, oh boy.
Didn't take you long to look at it.
No, I was gone.
I lay it right in there. I think it'll go, but it might go down in there, but it might also hang up. Yeah.
I just put it right in that hole right there.
I don't know where it wants to go.
So, well, when you cut that tree, why did you cut your notch from the underside?
Because it's leaning so heavy. I just kind of wanted it to tip a little bit. So if you cut it flat, the tree sitting like that, it's got to scoot this way. So I cut a little notch out there, and I was hoping it kind of break over that notch, and it did.
And he was having to bore, as in cut straight, push straight in. What was you doing there?
Well, that's to keep your bar from pinching and to keep the tree from busting. If you just put a not good notch in it on a tree that's leaning like that was, and then just start back cutting or cutting from the back through, straight through that bore cutting, it's just gonna bust. It's going on a barber chair. Can get you hurt pretty bad. Not to mention it's gonna ruin your tree.
Which is the most important thing.
Well, yeah, I guess.
You got the logging dog with us. Every crew needs a good logging dog. You gonna cut this hickory?
I'll try.
Ten birds.
Apparently you do that.
You sure it's a whippoorwill? Not like a snipe creature.
No, it's a big bird.
Look at that. A whippoorwill, I guess. Leave him alone. Think it's a whippoorwill?
I believe so. It looks whippoorwillish to me.
Not much of a nest.
Nope.
Alright guys, welcome back to the sawmill, friend. I think that's the wrong channel, but anyway, I'm sure if you watch this show, you watch the other one. Anyway, these logs aren't very good, but we've got good logs sitting over there. These are just in the way, so we're going to cut them. Probably a bunch of pallet material in here, and maybe 3 or 4 ties. So I'm gonna get these scaled up. Look at that beautiful white oak lumber right there, buddy.
Looks like sound like I got a tooth bad.
You can do that, tell that just from the sound?
Just whacking. You can hear it chattering. But I did set my guide. I think it's sawing a lot better. I noticed when I was cutting that pine, when I'd cut a board or a slab off, go back to the saw would catch on the very end of the cant. And so what was happening is when I go into my cant, the saw was running in a little bit and kind of doing, that's exaggerating, but doing that, so I set my guide where it wouldn't allow that saw to be pushed over, and it seems like it's sawing a lot better. Felt better.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you loaded up.
All right.
Let you take a breather.
Yeah.